Learning English with Captain Binoy Varakil, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Devgiri, Calicut, Kerala. I believe you are all doing good, and I hope that you learn all the different concepts from English. In fact, we learned a lot of new concepts from the English language. In this series of lectures, we are learning the suprasegmental features, and we know at the moment what stress or accent is. We also studied intonation, juncture, rhythm, and pitch. Okay, and afterwards we just discussed phoneme, allophone, homonyms, and now we are learning a new term which is known as minimal pairs. And this is in fact very easy to understand, and we must have an idea of what minimal pairs are. We saw in the previous lecture that a phoneme is the smallest distinctive unit of sound in the sound system of language, and we know how change of one phoneme causes change of meaning. Okay, we have many words, and the change of one phoneme in a word is changing a meaning. Meaning change is caused by change of one phoneme. And now we are learning minimal pairs. Minimal pairs. Let's be familiar with the term minimal pairs. Pairs means a group of two words. So minimal pairs are words, or rather pairs of words, words of two, which have a lot of similarity, but there is change in the case of one phoneme, and that particular change will of course cause a lot of meaning change. And such groups of words in English which have a difference only in one segment, okay, except for such one segment, the pair or those two words are looking similar, but with one segment the pair or those two words are looking different. And such groups of words which look very close to each other but differ from each other in only one segment are known as minimal pairs. Okay, so minimal pairs are groups of words which look very close to each other, but they differ from one another, or rather differ from each other only in one segment, or rather in one segment only in one segment. Such groups of words which differ from each other only in one segment is known as, or are known as, minimal pairs. I have written a number of minimal pairs. Look at the first one, that is of course pet, 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 P-E-T, pet. Okay, it is pet. Now here we have another one, that is of course bet, bet, and we are transcribing it into bet. Okay, it is transcription and it is bet. Okay, so per, et, ber, et, only these two phonemes differ from each other. There is only a difference of one segment, and because of that reason we can call these two minimal pairs. Similarly, we have sin and of course seen. Okay, we have sin and seen. All right, sir, sir, e, in, only in one segment. So words or groups of words or two words which differ from each other only in one segment are known as minimal pairs. Kin, bin, ke, b, in. Okay, ke, there is the difference only in the initial phonemes. And now we have, of course, tin and pin, ch, p, in, only in one segment. So in English we have plenty of words like that, pairs of words which have a lot of similarity but differ from one another only in one segment. So such groups of words, pairs of words which differ from one another only in one segment are known as minimal pairs, and it is clear to us, exam point of view, it is very important for us. We may be asked to give examples for minimal pairs, and of course we can give examples like these, like sin and seen, pin and pen. Alright, thanks a lot for listening. May God bless you.